How to sign up for the AliExpress affiliate program from Pakistan. Hey guys, in today's video, we will go through the step-by-step process on how to sign up for AliExpress affiliate program. Before we dive into sign up process, let's briefly discuss what the AliExpress affiliate program is all about. This program allows you to earn commission by promoting products from AliExpress, one of the world's largest online marketplace. You can see this interface on my screen. You can easily access it by clicking the link in my description box. Once you click on the link, you will land on this page. Then you need to click on join now. Before signing up, it's essential to review the program details provided on the affiliate program page, understand the commission structure, payment terms, and any specific guideline or requirement set by AliExpress. Then you need to create your account. You can also continue with your Google, Facebook, or Twitter account. You will be directed to an affiliate account creation page. Here you will need to provide some crucial information including your full name, email address, contact information, details about your promotional method or website. Before you can move forward, it's crucial to read and agree to the terms and conditions of the AliExpress affiliate program. Take your time to understand the terms and expectations outlined in this section. After filling out the application form and agreeing to the terms, click on next. Upon submitting your application, you'll need to patiently wait for AliExpress to review and approve it. Approval time can vary, so hang tight during this process. Once your application is approved, you'll receive access to your affiliate dashboard. This is where you'll find your valuable resources including your unique affiliate link, promotional materials, and tools to track your performance. Congratulations! With access to your affiliate dashboard, you can now begin promoting AliExpress products with your unique affiliate links. Whenever someone makes a purchase through your links, you will earn commission. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to sign up for AliExpress affiliate program from Pakistan. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.